Hi everyone, it's Janis here, and in this video we will explore what is backcasting. Planning ahead is important to achieve any goal in your life, but it's even better to take actions based on your intended future objectives. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. Backcasting is a planning method that starts with defining a desirable future and then working backwards to identify processes and actions needed that will connect that specific future to the present. The fundamental question of backcasting asks, if we want to attain a certain goal, what actions must be taken to get there? For example, if you want to achieve your ideal weight, then knowing the date by which you want to achieve it, you would calculate your daily caloric intake. So instead of looking at your current situation and using it as a starting point, you look at your goal and decide what needs to be done. Many people have massive goals, but they want to be reasonable with their actions. Unfortunately, that doesn't work together because reasonable actions will only lead to average results. Backcasting is a great strategy that you can use to set the right actions to achieve the goals that you desire. For example, if you have to write 30 blog posts and you only have 1 month to do that, you have to write 1 blog post per day and you have to start it immediately. If, however, you try to forecast, you'll be looking at your current situation and therefore possibly coming to the conclusion that you can only write 3 blog posts per week. This, of course, is not good enough and you won't be able to achieve your intended goal, and that's why backcasting is a better approach. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick summary of what backcasting is and how to use it. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.